Today we are recreating the iconic Scandinavian makeup I see all over social media. Kind of reminds me of the Victoria's Secret makeup, but I feel like this one is way more bronzy and glowy, and there's like blush blindness. No offense, no offense. And I live in Norway, so I've seen this makeup look in person. So I feel like I kind of know what I'm doing, but at the same time not, because it's not my makeup routine. But yeah, enough yapping. I have the video right here, the tutorial, and I'm gonna follow it. And hopefully I get the perfect Scandinavian makeup, because I have to leave the house. So if this turns out really ugly... So we're starting off with primer. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Grip Primer, which is this one right here. What I do like about today's makeup look is that it's really natural, like it's effortless. To be extra glowy, I'm gonna use the Glow Recipe Dew Drops. The reason why I did primer first and this second is because the primer is thicker. So I like to layer it that way. Thick products first and then thin products after. Now I'm just gonna give it some time to dry and I'll apply sunscreen. Okay, so skincare is basically done. We only used 3 products. Now let's move on to the makeup. So they're using the e.l.f. Hello Glow or the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. It's a really popular product here, well, all over the world. But I stopped using it because it breaks me out. Like, I've seen a huge difference on my skin when I stopped using the e.l.f. Hello Glow. Even though I love the product, I love it. So instead of using that, we're gonna use a skin tint. So I'm using the Kylie Skin, I keep saying Kylie Skin, I don't know why. The Kylie Cosmetics Skin Tint, and I'm in the shade 1N. Also, I don't know if you noticed, but I removed my press-ons. I had them for like 3 weeks or more. So like, okay, it's time to remove them, because 3 weeks with fake nail, that's a long time. And I'm gonna grab a foundation brush. This one is from Il Maquillage, this brand, and this brush is amazing. I cannot recommend it more. And I'm just gonna blend it all out, and I'm mainly focusing on the places I want to be glowy. Oh, and then she goes in with bronzer. Okay, so concealer comes after, I'm guessing. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Rare Beauty bronzer stick in the shade Bright Side, and I'm applying it on my cheeks here a lot, because Scandinavians love to be bronzy and tan. A bit on my eyelids, a bit, and I just applied the whole thing. And she also applied on her nose, which I'm not the biggest fan of. I don't like applying bronzer on my nose, but we gotta do what we gotta do. You know what? I'm not surprised that Scandinavians love a lot of bronzer and a lot of blush. It's that people here are so pale, me included, that this is the only way we can get some color, because we don't get sun that much, only in the summer, like spring. I'm not saying that the other days are like dark and cold. Like, people have this horrible image of Norway being dark and cold. That's like the north of Norway, okay? But for example, Oslo is really nice and has good weather, except of winter, obviously. Like, winter's cold, it's supposed to be cold. Okay, now she finally applies concealer. Where's my concealer? I'm gonna use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Light 1. And from what I see in the video, they apply it that much. And I'm also gonna apply on this pimple right here, because I need to cover that. And I'm gonna blend the concealer upwards like this, like, woo. That way I get like a full coverage and the lift at the same time. Oh wait, and then she sets her face. What about the blush? Rare Beauty Loose Powder. I only see her applying it under the eyes, so then she goes in with powder bronzer. I'm gonna use Charlotte Tilbury Shade 1 Fair. Wanna know like what shades I use and stuff? Just know that I use a lighter shade in everything. I've said this before, but I am really pale, so I always buy the lightest shade of everything, except blush. I go a bit dark with blush because I love a red or a dark pink blush. Powder blush. I'm gonna use this one from W7 in the shade Teach Me, and she applies at the top here, like not here, but like here, you know? And she kind of connects the blush to her eyelids. This is what I've seen a lot, like Scandinavians bring their blushes all the way like up here, and sometimes they connect it to their eyelids. What? I don't know. Does it look pretty? Yes, it does. Oh my god, what is this? Okay, now she's doing her brows. She's just basically filling them in, so I'm gonna do that too, because I have some bold spots here for some reason. Now she curls her lashes. This makeup is not giving Scandinavian girl makeup. If you're Scandinavian and you're watching this, I am really sorry. I'm really sorry I did not reach your expectations. Also, I see that 90% of you watching my stuff are not subscribed. Hello, it takes 2 seconds to make an account and subscribe. Just saying, just saying. Now, mascara. Where's my mascara? Where is my stuff? I'm going to use the sorry, the other way. The other way. This is a waterproof mascara, which is great because it's raining outside right now. And I'm gonna apply a lot of mascara because Scandinavian girls have a lot of mascara. Oh snap, I got it on my eyelid. Oh snap, I got it on my nose. And this is waterproof, so it will not come off. What the heck am I singing? I have like 3 lashes, so I don't know how this is gonna look. Applying a lot of mascara. This makeup look, I thought it was gonna be the easiest, but it's the hardest. So, I know, it's sad. Stop it. She went ahead and applied like white eyeliner, but I don't have that, so we're skipping that. And for lips, she's using a brown lip liner. This lip buffer, because I feel like this brown is way too dark. So I'm gonna outline my lips, and this is actually a Norwegian brand. So it's Dora. Can you see that? Dora in the shade Barely Toasted. And I'm gonna outline my lips with this. Like that. And Scandinavian girls love gloss, from what I've seen. Okay, from what I've seen. And I'm gonna use the Dora lip gloss in the shade Raspberry Pop. How beautiful is this color? The only thing with her lip products is that it dries out my lips. So I love the products, but my lips don't. Even though it dries out my lips, I'm still gonna finish them because it costs me money, you know, and I don't want to waste them. They also apply on their bottom lashes. I forgot about that, so I'm gonna apply mascara on my bottom lashes. And now setting spray, and since this is a dewy makeup look, not matte, we're not going to use my matte setting spray. We're going to use this one from NYX, the face glue setting spray, and apply all over our face. And we're finished with today's makeup look. Scandinavian makeup. Do I see it? No. Is it because I applied too little bronzer? Maybe. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, because you know subscribing and liking and just interacting with my video helps a lot. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.